Hi friends, welcome back to Mithun Solution. In this video, we can discuss some important topic: how to choose your engineer branch. So, choose your engineer branch smartly. So, let's see the type of engineer branch present in our India. Just a minute. There are many engineer branches present in our India. Let's see one by one. First, computer science engineering. Next, information science engineering. Third one, electronics and communication engineering. Fourth one, electrical and electronics engineering. Fifth one, mechanical engineering. Sixth one, aerospace or aeronautical engineering. Seventh one, civil engineering. Eighth one, chemical engineering. These are the type of engineer branch present in our India. Let's discuss one by one. First, computer science engineering. Computer science engineering, it is a booming over a decade and still it is at a peak. It deals with designing, implementation and management of information system of computer software and hardware. It has become one of the most career option for engineer candidates. It has excellent job opportunity in software field. So the average salary for a computer science student for fresher is, just a minute, he can earn 35 to 45k per month for a fresher. But if he get experience for 1 to 2 years, he can earn 5 to 15 lakhs per annum. And if he get experience for 10 to 12 years, he can earn 20 to 1 crore per annum. This is the salary package for computer science engineering student. Next, information science engineering. It is also equal to computer science engineering. It is a booming engineer branch nowadays. It deals with designing of technology information system including computer system. It includes the principle of both hardware and software. The student, those who have completed their BTech or BE, can work as a software engineer in IT field, software tester, web designer, application developer, etc. If the student have opportunity to purchase MTech or ME to get better placement in IT sector. So let's see the salary package. Just a minute. The average salary for a fresher in information science, he can earn 35 to 45k per month, same equal to computer science engineering. If you get experience for 1 to 2 years, you can earn 5 to 10 lakhs per annum. If you get experience for 10 to 12 years, you can earn 20 to 1 crore per annum. This is the salary package for information science engineering. Next, electronics and communication engineering. It is also the most important branch in our engineering. Electronics is a part of our everyday life. Students can study about electronic circuit, power electronics, applied electromagnetic theory, and logic gates. They can get excellent job opportunity in LG Electronics, Samsung India, and Inlet and Sony Ericsson. So, electronic engineering is also one of the demanding engineer branch nowadays. If the students successfully completed their electronic and communication engineering, he can offer a job opportunity and he can offer a salary package of average 20 to 40k per month. If he get experience for 1 to 2 year, he can get 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, and if he get experience for 10 to 12 years, he can get 16 to 30 lakhs per annum. Electrical engineering. It is the most demanding field of engineering. It deals with the use of electrical, electronics and electromagnetism. Students of electrical engineering offers both practical and theoretical knowledge. It is also the most demanding engineer branch nowadays. Electrical engineering. Some of the important topics covered in this subject are, just a minute, engineering in mathematics, electrical machine design, power system, control theory, power electronics, microcontrollers, electromagnetism, safety management, and power utilization. And along with the theory classes, there is also a practical section. Almost all the engineering colleges in our country offers electrical engineering. Electrical engineering, some of the prime recruiters: BEL, DRDO, Indian Armed Forces, Philips, TCS, Reliance Industry, Panasonic, etc. Making a career in electrical engineering will be the challenging as well as rewarding in India. So let's see the salary package for electrical engineering students. Just a minute. If the student get experience for 1 to 2 years, he can earn a 2.5 to 3 lakhs per annum. And if he get experience for 10 to 12 years, he can earn 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. But for the fresher, he can earn 25 to 35k per month. This is the salary package for electrical engineering student. Next, mechanical engineering. It is a evergreen stream that will never disappoint you. It gives immense career scope in both government as well as private sector. It deals with designing, production and operation of machinery. It requires a plenty of designing skill. Mechanical engineering is one of my favorite engineering branch. So, salary package. If the student successfully completed his mechanical engineering, just a minute, he can earn 15 to 25k per month. If he get experience for 1 to 2 years, he can earn 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. And if he get experience for 10 to 12 years, he can earn 12 to 30 lakhs per annum. So the job opportunity in mechanical engineering is also very high, but for the freshers, he will get his salary package very low, 15 to 25k. But also mechanical engineering is also one of the best engineering branches in India nowadays. Next, aerospace or aeronautical engineering. It is one of the specialized branch of engineering for the aviation industry. It involves designing, construction and science of the aeroplanes and other spacecraft. It divides into two sectors: aeronautical and astronautical engineering. Aeronautical engineering is one of the highly paid engineering branch in our country. It requires observation and strong calculation skills. And next we can see some of the top recruiters. Just a minute. Some of the top recruiters are Civil Aviation Department, Air India, Hindustan Aeronautical, Indian Air Force, Private Airlines, Helicopter Corporation of India, etc. These are the some of the top recruiters in our India. Oh, let's see the salary package. If the student successfully completed his aeronautical engineering for a fresher, just a minute, he can earn 50 to 60k per month. If he get experience for 1 to 2 years, he can earn 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. And if he get experience for 10 to 12 years, he can earn 20 to 35 lakhs per annum. This is the salary package for aeronautical engineering. Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a very important branch of engineering. There was a time where civil engineers are considered as the only engineers for their tremendous support and contribution in making railways, airport, dams and bridges. If you are interested in drawing plans and sketches, then this course is for you. The job opportunity after graduate is excellent. Civil engineers offer both in government as well as private sector. So let's see some of the top recruiters in civil engineering. Just a minute. Some of the top recruiters are PWD, Infrastructure Management Firms, Town Planning Commission, Reliance Industry, Indian Railways, L&T, Tata Realty and Infrastructure, Ports, etc. These are the top recruiters in civil engineering. Salary package. The average salary package for civil engineers are, just a minute, 30 to 35k per month. If he get experience for 1 to 2 years, he can earn 2.5 to 5 lakhs per annum, and if he get experience for 10 to 12 years, he can earn 12 to 18 lakhs per annum. This is the salary package for civil engineers. Chemical engineering. It is also one of the good engineering branch in India. If your passion is towards organic and inorganic chemistry, then it is the branch for you. The course is offered by few number of colleges in India. It is a evergreen branch when it comes to job availability. It is a highly paid branch of engineering. The job involves a lot of research to augment the manufacturing process. Most companies does not hesitate to pay a good amount. So chemical engineering is also a demanding engineering branch nowadays. Job opportunities in chemical engineering are in petrochemical refineries, manufacturing units, pharmaceutical, FMCG companies. And let's see some of the top recruiters in chemical engineering. Just a minute. Some of the top recruiters are ONGC, LOCL, BPCL, HPCL, GAIL, HUL, Reliance, Tata Chemicals, RCF, Asian Paints, etc. These are the top recruiters in chemical engineering. So let's see the salary package for chemical engineering. Just a minute. The average salary package for a freshers in chemical engineering, he can earn 45 to 55k per month. But if he get experience for 1 to 2 years, he can earn 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. And if he get experience for 10 to 12 years, he can earn 18 to 30 lakhs per annum. It is the salary package for chemical engineering students. So, according to my knowledge, these are the most popular and highly paid engineer branches in our India. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment. Thank you.